Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have an articulating endoscope. These things are nice and useful for all sorts of things. I'll show you guys what it is here in a second if you don't know what they are. It is a camera. It's a camera with a little probe at the end, so inspection Boroscope. So we have that. So this is it here. You can see it's got a light on the end of it. It has a charging cable, and it comes with a 32 gig memory card as well. Never really recorded it, but I guess you could. I guess you push the button to take a picture. Well, I don't have an SD card in there now. But you can see this is the camera. I can see myself here. You can see there's me. But I want to use it for some things like if I'm sitting here trying to figure out my dishwasher. I don't know what's going on with my dishwasher here. Let me go and bring you down here. So underneath the dishwasher, can't get the plate underneath there working, but you'll see how ugly it is. But you can see I can look here now, and now I can look under my dishwasher and look at what's going on. So I can do that. And if I want to, I can use this little thing here. You see if I move this, it moves back and forth. So that's going to give me the ability, so I can just kind of aim it in there where I want, like that, and then I can rotate to see the different things. And like that. There, and then I have like a zoom and all sorts of stuff in there so I can see everything I need. Let me turn this over here so you can just see that upside up. So if I need to see the instructions or a model number, or I want to get in the way back, I can just start feeding this thing through and it's going to just work its way back. I don't know what's back there, a lot of dust and dirt and grime, but that's what's in the back, and then I can kind of move it around there so we can see what's in the back of my dishwasher. So if you use it to go under things, it's great to use like in an engine compartment in a car if you drop a screw down in there, or if you want to put it into the to see the innards, you can put it into there. Pretty much it'll do anything. Or you can just see a cute little doggy. There's my doggy. But it's cool, and it's got looks like plus is to zoom it a bit, and then it can flip the back and forth. We have a menu settings where we can set our time, and watermark and date time, auto on and off, temperature system, internal memory. It's got all sorts of things. And then I can adjust the light with this here. Oh, if I go back out, let me see. Escape. There. I can turn the light. If I don't want to have the light, I can turn it off or on, depending on what I need, and different brightnesses. And then, as we saw before, I could use this to take a picture. It's not going to work at the moment, or take a video, just because I don't have the SD card in there. But it looks like the SD card goes right there, so it'll be super easy. And this is a nice one here. This is going to be my new one. I like the ones with a shorter cord. I had one before with a super long cord, which was good, but it was, I still have it. But if you're doing something small, having to wind it up afterwards, it's just a pain. So this is really nice and super cool. I like it. So very nice, and it's got a great picture for sure. So it's going to totally be useful for things, for little electronics and everything else that I use. So totally good. Thumbs up for sure.